Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorials how to go for your Gmail recovery password in case someone who has stolen your Gmail password. Change the everything. Now you are not in a position to reset your Gmail password because of you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone number. Then what's the alternative approach we will have to access to a reset and get it back? We will see live in these tutorials. This idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to that he is unable to reset his password of Gmail because of he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number also. But of course, in case someone who has hacked your Gmail password, also in that condition you can go with the similar status to recover or get it back. How is it possible? We will see live now. See here, it's essentially the couldn't sign in you, so just we will go for against. Now here is a accounts recovery page, just we will go for next, and of course now we can see here it is asking a password. We don't have a password, so just we will go for try another way. Fines. Now here is asking the phone number. We don't have a phone number, so just now it's a function that is officially we did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is mine. So don't click on a try again, so otherwise similar strategy will be open again and again, and of course sometimes Google will contact you. That option will be open also if we do the multiple times try agains. But there also you will have to add an alternative email with proof identity that this ID is surely yours. It doesn't belong to you, then in that condition you will have no strong opportunity to generate your password on particular this ID. But of course, if it is, then you will have an opportunity, but after 48 hours, so we cannot wait such a long time. So just we will cut it from here and we will go for Play Store. Let's have the alternative approach to recover, and how easily this can be recovered. Let's see. Just we will write here best browser. We will have to write. So let me. Yes, we will select the keyboard, and of course we will write VEST browser. Now here that we can see here. Now that we have one browser, that is a DuckDuckGo search AI, so it will work with the help of artificial intelligence, of course. So easily this can be recovered. Now it has just started to download. Here on the other hand, we will have two changes. That is very essential. Just we will come in a Google App Info. We will come on this Shaiken and upon. We'll come in a notifications, make it blocks. If it is enabled, then you will have to block, and we will back, and we'll come the permission. In permission, tap on it. We will come in the location. In location, we will have to make it the precise location off. So now it's off. Just we will go for don't allow anyway. So it's asking so that if you deny these permissions, basic feature of your device may no longer the function as intended. Of course, we will go for don't allow anyway. Then we will cut it from here. Then once again we will come on here. Just we will hold it, and we will come in a app info. Once again a Chrome browser, because this is also product of Google. Just we will come in a notification. It is already blocked, so you will have the enable show. Make it block, and of course we will back. Then once again we will have to cut it because see, two times I have clicked. So just we will once again hold it. We will come to F info 2. Of course we will come in the permission. In permission we will come in especially location. We will go for here don't allow. If we click on allow, then precise location will be open. Then check it out. If it is off, then that's okay. Then we will click on especially don't allow anyway. So this thing almost we have done. So now we will come here back, and one more time we'll have to come the default browser. Here we will have a special this browser. Now we will cut it from here. We will use this artificial intelligence to open this browser, and to see here this would be open. We will have to accept a term and condition, and then we will go for it. So let's do it. Yes. Now we'll have to go for choose the browsers, no problem at all. So now we will go for here, cut it from here. Now here simply we will have to type this googlecode.in. Fine, just we will go in here, click on a go, and see this page will be open here. Now here as we can see, we will cut it from here. Fine, just got it. Just we will go in a sign in now. Now here we will have to write in this ID particulars. So let's see. We'll pick these ones, and then of course let's hide to cut it, and we will go for next. So now see here, of course we will tap on it, and now it's asking a password. Just we will go for forgot password. We will go for forgot. We don't have a number, so how can I? Now, so show the more tips to other recovers in this account. Answer as many questions you can use it. Similar, this is the comics. Don't click on a dragons because this will especially, of course, trust by the Google. So that's how the trying to the recovers in this account by different browsers. So, what is alternative approach? We will use the more tips to other recover this account, but of course, this opportunity we will come via especially setting options. Tap on a setting, then we will have the option that is a Google service. In Google service, what we will have to just we will come on a help icon, and we will tap on it. Now just we will go for here the concerns in these accounts. Now we can see here you think someone else is using these accounts, then yes we will have to wait here. Now we will go for secure this account, and the tapping on the secure this accounts, and then of course we will come to review these accounts. We will find out this account has been hacked, and of course we will come on here. We'll go for here account recovery page, and simply now this page will open. So we will have to type in this particular ID. Let's quick recover, guys. Simply just we will here. Now we will have to tap on a next. Now see directly we would be on a here. Now what we will do here, just we will have to go for don't click on a continue, just we will click on a change the password, because if you go for on a continue, then what will happens, it will ask you to verify its verify options, and there we will have to get a OTP via added recovery email and recovery phone number. So we are not in a position to because of that. So just we will escape to this thing. We will go for the chance, have to create the new password, go for the confirm the new password, and of course change it. And after changing, what we will have to do, guys, here just we will come to account security. Of course, manage your Gmail account, and there of course we will have to add the recovery email and recovery phone number, whatever is especially free. Suppose there is no especially email has been added, then we will have to firstly add their email, and the one of course after adding, then we will get a by virtue of email OTP there, and of course we can change the phone number also especially, so that such kind of incident won't be repeats. And especially I'm to the public domain, so this side would be especially it's a live screen. A live screen is being recorded, so this is all about we will have to deliver after generating a password especially on it to this viewer. So this is all about, but to know more further any information about this especially tutorial, of course blindly I had the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine to reply your query, and yes, if you are unable to especially reshare, then of course you can raise the query, leave especially your emails below the description box, below the comments box. Of course we will pick one, and we will try to especially give an opportunity to the reset, and I will tell you. So this is all about, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.